Motocross racers are often faced with hard-packed, sometimes blue-grooved conditions. The original QuadCross MX Pro tires were designed specifically to perform on these types of tracks. The MX Pro Lites feature a revised, softer rubber compound to further enhance traction. Our KFX 450R featured only bolt-on motor modifications, so we didn't want to lose any more power than necessary through rotating mass. For this reason, weight was a serious consideration when choosing a tire. Thanks to the revised two-ply carcass, compared to the original QuadCross MX Pro tires, the 2610 fronts weigh 1 pound less each, while the 1810-8 rears weigh 2 pounds less. A 6-pound reduction in rotating mass and unsprung weight is significant. The tread is comprised of dimpled rectangular knobs front and rear. The rear tire's tread looks like that of the famous ITP turf tamer under a magnifying glass. The rear tread's dimples are rounded, promoting better cleanout should you find your way into an overwatered section of track. The new two-ply carcass features what ITP calls their sidewall apex design, which is claimed to reduce sidewall flex under hard cornering without sacrificing traction and ride quality. At most of our local tracks, the MX Pro Lites are an ideal tire choice. They are right at home on tracks ranging from moist and tacky to dry and rock hard. Under these conditions, the front end feels hooked up and consistent, letting you drive hard into corners. The rear end hooks up well under acceleration and braking. The rear tire's new compound will hold a line more consistently under harder acceleration than the original QuadCross MX, allowing for faster corner exit speeds. Hard, dry tracks, where you're dependent on having a tacky rubber compound to grip the track surface, is where the MX Pro Lites have a significant traction advantage over the standard MX Pros. The Pro Lites do wear faster under these conditions, as does any softer rubber compound premium race tire. Our test riders point out that these tires work especially well in the slick conditions found when the track is watered after being packed in. Due to its hard-pack specific design, the MX Pro Lites are left looking for traction on muddy or heavily tilled tracks. Precise clutch control is necessary to get the whole shot in these conditions. You'll notice some front end push in soft conditions, and the front tires will pack up easily in the mud. Inflated to around 9 pounds front and 8 pounds rear, we felt the MX Pro Lite tires offered Optimum Traction. Their ride quality is good in rough sections with little bounce, helping you better hold a line in whoops and choppy sections. Accelerating out of corners, we really appreciated the tire's light weight, which didn't feel at all taxing to our KFX 450R's lightly modified engine. We keep a set of ITP's whole-shot MXR6 tires on hand for the occasional deeply tilled or muddy track. If you're looking for a long-wearing practice tire, or one you can race for half a season, you may want to look into the original harder compound QuadCross MX Pro tires. If a super light tire that will give you an edge on the competition on hard-packed tracks is what you're after, the ITP QuadCross MX Pro Lite tires deliver.